Hello, everyone! Today, we will introduce the function and working principle of RG605 microswitch on the X, Y, and Z3 axis of 3D printers. Its core function is to realize the limit and positioning of XYZ3 axis, serving as a core key component to ensure the precise operation of 3D printers. This series of microswitches adopts a small travel and high-sensitivity mechanical contact structure. It features fast response, a service life of more than 100,000 cycles, controllable cost, and strong anti-electromagnetic interference capability. It is easy to install and can be deployed simply by two-wire direct connection to the main board. Its core functions and working principles are as follows. 1 to 2 microswitches are installed correspondingly on each of the XYZ3 axes, mounted at the origin or end position of the axis travel. After the device is powered on, triggering the switch completes the homing positioning of the 3 axes and calibrates the coordinate 0 point to ensure the accuracy of the printing position. During device operation, if coordinate abnormality occurs, the triggered microswitch will immediately transmit a signal to the main board to stop the corresponding axis motor, effectively avoiding equipment failures such as machine collisions and motor burn out. In addition, the microswitch equipped on the Z-axis assists in platform leveling, ensures the precise height of the first printing layer, and avoids problems such as warping of printed parts and poor adhesion to the platform. In summary, as the core limiting and positioning components for the XYZ3 axis of 3D printers, the microswitch provides dual guarantee of precise positioning and safe limiting with high-cost performance, supporting the stable operation of the equipment. Every batch of products has passed strict vibration, high and low temperature, and life tests, perfectly meeting the mass assembly needs of manufacturers. If you need switching customization or technical consultation, please feel free to contact us at any time.